Hi guys, welcome to my me and my sister's channel. We are just showing you what we made. We should have made this on YouTube, but
We didn't.
yeah. So we are just gonna show you what it looks like.
It's slippery. Okay, let's. Okay, get it out. This is our slime collection. Okay, show it. This is our slime collection. We used
This
too
is what-
much.
We
used too much of Tide. Oh, too much. There's like squirt, and then something happens. We just have to play with it so it can get unsticky, because it is sticky, really sticky. My sister has to go pour that out. Wait, and let me put it on a dry area because we don't want it to be wet over on the other side of that area. And yeah,
this is how
our slime that works.
Food in it. Yeah, we did, because there's food right there.
Okay.
Oh, it feels like real slime now.
And
Here,
we made real slime using.
How do you split it?
The show. Don't give me that much. Okay. Inside is made slime, homemade. The shell is so good. Okay.
So this is let me get it to the camera. This is our slime. It is blue with like beads in it. It has yeah. So this is a blue one because the Tide made it blue, and
it's
has
really wet.
And it has sprinkles, like square sprinkles,
it's pink.
beads. Yeah, we did
a
pink theme. We did a pink theme, and
It took a long time to
make
this design.
Yeah, make this slime work.
But it's gonna get wet.
So we're just gonna keep playing with that.
So it can.
We'll see you in a minute. Hi, we're back. We're back, and my slime got a little bit better. Yeah, it did. My slime got not that wetter, like a little bit better. Wetter. Yeah, it got better. It got way better. Yeah. My slime got way better. Did yours get way better?
Mine became wetter, really wet.
Mine got a little bit better. Mine ain't that wet.
Oh my god. Okay, how do you do that?
I just keep doing that.
Stretching it?
Yeah, and do that. So mine got a little less wet.
Really wet. I meant less wet.
Because I keep doing it. And then I'm going to wipe my hands. So now it's not wet no more. Mine ain't wet no more. My sister's is. She's trying to get it unwet.
No fair.
See, mine is stretching and like, oh shoot.
My thing is coming. Beads are like spreading everywhere. Oh my god.
Yeah. They keep coming up.
Oh, that was just somebody.
That was from Musical.ly. Because I'm on Musical.ly, so you can comment down below and watch my Musical.ly videos and my sister's Musical.ly videos. They're very good. We already found this girl. What's her name?
I forgot, but we know her, and
we're gonna shout her out. We love you. Yeah, we love you for
commenting on our Musical.ly.
Yeah, we love you a lot.
And check us out on Musical.ly.
Yeah.
No freaking fair. Shall feel how sticky mine is. Yeah, I'll play with yours.
No. It's because your hands are hot. Your hands are making it liquidy. Rub your hands. Don't just don't make it wetter, or then it's gonna make it worse. This is what I'm doing. I keep wiping it. And that is our YouTube channel. We love you a lot, so please watch this.